Hello out there, my name's Harry Potter, and you may have seen me in books and movies, but today, I'm not here to do some magic, although it would be nice. Expelliarmus! Whoa! I'm here to talk about reading response logs. Now you may be asking, how did Mr. Farina and Mrs. Cassare hire myself to do a presentation on reading response logs? They didn't. I'm doing it for free because reading response logs are so important and crucial for your grades. So make sure you do them, and I'll go over exactly what you need to do one properly. So the first step of your reading response log is that you must read 20 minutes a night for 5 nights, or 1 hour total. So that means if you want to read 40 minutes one night, well, you just got 20 minutes to do the rest. And remember, these are due on Wednesday, so you have a whole week. You really have 7 days to do this. Now, these books that you can choose, they can be non-fiction books, fiction chapter books, even graphic novels. Read something that you're comfortable reading and enjoy reading. Try to read something that will challenge you, not too easy and not too hard. Whoa, this book's exciting. So the next part is, what must be on a response? Well, make sure you write the title on top of your reading response log. For example, you would say reading response log number 5, or RRL, as you could abbreviate. Make sure your name and date is on the top right of the page. Number your entries and write the title of the book you're responding about. You set the sentence stems to start each response. And remember, each response must have 3 to 4 sentences for it to be complete. If you have less than that, you're not going to get the full credit. So choosing a stem. Remember, we have these sentence stems here that you can locate in Google Classroom and should be glued in your reader's notebook. I'm sorry, your reading log notebook. You can use, if you're reading a non-fiction book, which is this side right here, based on real things like a biography or learning about an animal or science. Use the stems on the left for non-fiction. If you're reading a fiction book about something fake or not real like Harry Potter, let's say, choose the stems on the right. And these are all ones that can relate to something in a non-fiction book and a fiction book. I'm just going to read a couple here. If I were the subject's name, I would blank because blank. The subject or topic interests me because I like or don't like the subject topic because I am noticing, and you would finish the sentence there. Over here on the fiction side, we have, if I were the character's name, let's say Harry Potter, I would blank because, and talk about it. Or the characters that interest me most is Hermione because, talk about it. So that's what you're doing for these when you're choosing a sentence stem. Think about something you can write about. And last but not least, here's a sample. So I noticed my last name and first name are up here. The date, reading response log number 5, and here's my title, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Here's my sentence stem I wrote in red. I can relate to this story because, and this is where I get to fill in the blanks here and write 3 to 4 sentences. I can relate to this story because I too came into my new school feeling nervous. I was scared I wasn't going to make friends and that I wouldn't know where my classes were. I'm glad he found Ron, or Harry found Ron, to help him on his first day at Hogwarts. I remember when I saw my old friends from elementary and felt relieved that they too looked confused. So that would be an entry. It's about 3 to 4 sentences long and it uses a stem. I also numbered it. Remember that spelling doesn't really matter in this as long as we have what you do, or have your writing in there. But you can try your best. Try your best to do the spelling, but don't let it stop you from writing. So that is it. That's how you do a reading response log. It seems pretty easy, right? Well, I hope you all agree with me. And for now, goodbye. And Wingardium Leviosa!